Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Long here, but I have a second account now, which is Ben Spellman. Yeah, and I just love vlogging. So I made an account. That was my first time making an account. But guys, let me show you something, which I'm actually scared of, because we had a chance to have a tornado, and it's pretty scary. Look. Right there, the fence is broken. And I think I'm not safe with you here. So next time we're going off, you can't do it. Yeah. So this is my first video on Ben Spellman. And yeah. So leave in the comments below what I should do in the next video, but like not go anywhere. Because every Sunday I go to my grandpa's. You can have me do stuff there on every Sunday, like stuff. I don't know what, but sorry I don't get the giveaway because I don't know what to name. Because I'm stupid. Seven. It's lasting until 7. So this is the videos I usually post on. But I can't post on my other account anymore. Or I can, but I'm gonna sell storage on that. I'll try to fix that soon. So I can just yeah, you know. Dad, the fence literally broke.
We went downstairs.
So, I might end this video there, guys. Sorry if my eyes are red. I'm just scared and stuff. Like, tell me if it is in the comments. But, make sure to go click that like button and subscribe. And if you do, I'll subscribe back to you. And peace. Not that time to work.